I just wrapped up day 2 at CES, and there was a few interesting discoveries from a flying robot at MOVA's booth to a few new products. Let's find out more. Very interesting and surprising find here at the MOVA booth is this thing over here. It's a drone. Indeed, we've seen stair climbing, and they do have their stair climbing robot over here, but they're also showcasing a concept, which is a drone that's supposed to help with your multi-floor cleaning. I'm told this can work indoor and outdoor, and you can use it as a regular drone as well, and it can work with multiple robots. So the drone will attach to the robot and carry it or airlift it up to your second floor to clean that. Very interesting innovation from MOVA. So one of the new robots that MOVA is introducing is the P70 Pro Ultra. This is supposed to be an entry-level robot. However, it's not bad on features, as you can see. This is not yet launched, and the price is still unknown, but it's not going to be extremely expensive. And then they have a new flagship. This is the V70 Ultra Complete, and it has one feature I absolutely love. Finally, it makes its way to vacuum cleaners. It is bagless, so it does not have a bag. This is the dust container, so it does dust compression, and it collects the dust over here. And then to empty, you simply remove this and empty the dustbin. So no more consumables, eco-friendly, and no more running cost of getting dust bags. Absolutely love it. I wish all robot vacuums start implementing bagless designs like this one. I've also been told that they have an updated Flexi Press mop pad, so it does edge cleaning much better, and of course all the other features we come to expect from flagship models, including a collapsible LiDAR tower. They're also showcasing 2 new mopping robots. This is the Z70 Ultra Roller. This is the upgraded version of the Z60, and it has a few new features, including enhanced edge-to-edge cleaning, as I mentioned earlier, and 35,000 Pascal of suction power. Still has the auto shield and all the other features. The design is also updated. It does look a bit nicer, more sleek. It is a bit wide, but this is the flagship model. Very interesting to see. There is another model showcased here. This is the S70 Ultra Roller, and this is going to be an affordable rolling mop, which I'm very happy to see. MOVA tells me this should be released around March, and it's going to be sub $1,000 model. And in terms of specs, as you can see, it's still pretty impressive. And MOVA tells me in terms of specs, the budget S70 Ultra Roller is going to be even more feature rich than their current S60. So I look forward to seeing this released. And I love how small and compact that base is. Looks really nice. Also retractable LiDAR. It has a 9 centimeters low profile, so that's also pretty impressive. So MOVA is also introducing the X5 Ultra Steam. This is a wet and dry vacuum that does both steam and hot water cleaning. As you can see on that thermal or heat sensitive floor over here, there's hot steam that is being dispensed from the front of the machine. It also has a zero gap scraper in the front, but a very interesting and new thing, I'm not sure how much you can see over here. There's a sensor on the edge. There's a small rotating mop over here. And once it approaches the edge, it kicks this out to clean closer to the edge. This is a very interesting take on edge cleaning. As you can see, the sensor is here. So once it detects an edge, this kicks out and starts cleaning. And here you see the roller brush and this little rotating mop that kicks out to clean the edges. It also has a drive-in base, so you can drive the machine easily without having to lift it onto its charging dock to start charging. They're also showcasing a 3D printer over here, and there's some air purifiers. We already saw these at IFA in Berlin. Of course, they still showcase some of their home appliances. There's an automatic coffee machine here. This is an industrial one. Something this size is not going to sit on your counter space. However, what caught my eye is this one over here. I absolutely love how small and slim this design is. This is an automatic coffee machine, so bean to cup. You put fresh coffee beans over here. It's going to freshly grind them and give you the drinks. There's also an integrated milk frother, so you can have milk-based beverages like a latte macchiato, for example. This will probably connect to a milk container and automatically create your milk-based beverages. There's also some manual espresso machines over here, and this over here is a drip coffee. Another nice thing showcased here at MOVA's booth, this is a portable coffee maker. So you unscrew this, and this is actually a cup, so you can use this to make coffee. You long press to turn it on, and then you unscrew this, And interesting enough, you can put ground coffee, but also you can put a capsule. This is a standard Nespresso capsule. And then you open the top over here. You can put water over here. You can put hot water already, or if you put room temperature water, it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes to heat this up. And you long press to start making coffee, and it pulls an awesome espresso. It has 9 bars of pressure, so this is pretty interesting. And as you can see, lovely cup of espresso. Look at that crema over here. It's pretty impressive from something this small, a portable coffee maker. The battery can give you 8 shots of espresso if you are using room temperature water, so it's going to heat the water. But if you're using hot water, you can get up to 500 shots of espresso. That is pretty impressive. These 2 models are already launched, and this one will launch in March. So that wraps up day 2 of my CES 2026 coverage. I will try to get my hands on some of the products that I showcased, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notified when I release those in-depth dedicated reviews. Until next time, cheers.